Hello everyone and welcome. Today I have something special. So I want you to guess. Well, you know what it is. I received it today. Well, and of course I will do the transfer again with the cable from one phone to the other. This, by the way, is my 16 Pro Max. My telephone company said, "Hey, you have an upgrade." I was "Oh really?" They said, "Yes." So I said, "Okay." And there's the company. And as you can see, oh my goodness. I thought it would be more orangey. One and two. And this one is the 256 gigabit Pro Max, of course. You ready? Wow. Where's the bin? I don't have one. Ooh. So the braid cable. I usually don't use this cable when they ship it with the phone. So we have the cables. And we have, what is here? Blah, 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 sticker, so on. I don't want to open this. This is what I need to open. But before I actually do this, I will stop the video here and I will do the setup and come back to you. No, well, I will do the setup live. This is just the first half of the video, so stay tuned. Wait. For comparison's sake, one second. So this case is useless. For comparison's sake, let me power this on. Oh my god, this phone it is so different. What I feel here is very good to hold it in the hand. It's grippy. I like it. This one, I think this one's, I don't know. Does this one slips too much? Or this one? We'll see. And I have a case for this, the Pro Max, so you will see that in a minute. And have you actually noticed the new logo, the new Apple logo? When you finish with glass, the Apple logo turns into glass and becomes normal logo. Anyway, I'll be right back.